Hlookup. Suppose the data is in this manner that roll numbers are on the various columns in one single row, names again in one row, department. Basically, it is same data, but put rows into columns and columns into rows. So here we for 25006, for example, 25601, I want to get the associated details. So is equal to Hlookup. We are doing horizontal lookup. What is the value you want to look for? I want to look for this value. What is the table array? Data up to here. Row index number. Suppose I want to get the class. That will be from B1. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4th one. Fourth one will give me class. And I want it to be false because I want exact match. I'll get this 52. If I put 3 here, I get decom. If I get 2 here, I get the name. It is same as VLOOKUP. Only thing the data is in the transposed order. For this data, the details are here. Whereas in the earlier sheet, for this number, the data is in the rows. The one is data is in the columns. That's all that is there in. It is rarely used.